Hey, I'm Robert Farrell. Rather than just build one website, why not build an entire network of niche sites? I have a complete turnkey system. I've been in the online trenches for 25 years. If there's a better way to earn online, I want to share with you my free video series. Sorry for the interruption, but if you click the banner ad right here, you will get $100 off my 5-bundle website. And if you pay for the entire year subscription, you'll get $200 off plus the $100 off by clicking the banner ad, plus 3 additional turnkey websites. You'll get a total of 8 websites for a total of $300 off my normally subscription price. Thanks again. Watch the rest of my videos and let's learn how to earn. It's not a webinar. It's 100% free. You can just go to my website by clicking this banner ad, and I will share with you how to build niche websites using WordPress with all the bells and whistles, all the trimmings. I provide premium plugins, premium software with your subscription. I'm here to help you every step of the way, but nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. So simply click this banner ad and you'll be able to watch my step-by-step videos, and then from that point, you decide what you want to do. I have all the tools and all the software and 25 years of online experience to help and assist you one step at a time. But I can assure you, nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. So click the banner ad, go to nichebuilders.club, come on over and join the club. I'm here to help you one step at a time and join over 57,000 students, online students of mine that I've curated since 1995, 25 years ago. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Carpe Diem 2020. Go to nichebuilders.club and learn how to work smart online the right way.